What's your name, beta? What's your name?
Zunuran.
What's your name?
Zunuran.
Why you say no, beta? Okay, then first of all, Zunair, you have to tell me how do you represent universal set in Venn diagram? Hurry up, tell me, beta. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am,
I am talking to you. How do you represent universal set in Venn diagram? Okay, come on, Musa, please. You tell me. You raise your hands up.
Ma'am, we represent universal set in a Venn diagram by using rectangle.
Excellent. Well done, Musa. Good. Now, Zulnuran, is it clear that for representing universal set in a through Venn diagram, we have to make rectangle? Now, is it clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we come to the next. How you identify complement of sets? How you came to know that this one is a complement of set? How you identify in a Venn diagram the complement of sets?
Ma'am, can I?
Any other student other than Musa? Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
Tell your name, beta.
Abdullah.
Yes, Abdullah, please tell me, beta.
Ma'am, through a circle.
Through a circle, we represent sets, but how we represent complement of set? I'm talking about this, beta.
Ma'am, through colors. Through colors.
Well done. We have to shade or we have to through color. We have to represent complement. Well done. This may, acha, okay. The last one. Who will compare subsets and proper subsets? Hurry up. Subsets and proper subsets.
If two
Tell your name first because all these marks are adding your mental math. You know, your mental maths have 10 marks. So please tell your name first.
Mohammed Sheer Usman, a set if
How do you compare subsets and proper subsets?
if two sets have the same elements, we call them subset.
Well
but
done.
if one element but if one set is inside another set and the other set contains something extra, we call them proper subset.
Excellent. But if set B has all elements set A, but A has few more elements, then we call it proper subset. Excellent, Shahir. Well done. Okay. As I already told you, better these are the websites. Clear? And you have to search whenever you find time on your weekend. You have to search this website. This will helpful for understanding the topic, which is our today's topic. Clear to all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Obviously, being a teacher, whenever I have to plan a lesson, I have some objective. So my objective is that all of you will be, inshallah, by the end of these 40 minutes, all of you will be able to state and use the term intersection of two sets. Okay, this word intersection, have you ever heard this word intersection in your daily life? No problem if you don't heard. Okay,
Yes,
look here. I live in near University Road. Here there are an intersection of roads. Can you understand what is the meaning of intersection?
Ma'am, joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. Actually, two different sides roads join together, and that point where they join is called the intersection.
Intersecting point.
Who tell the answer? Tell your name, please.
I'm Ahmad Daniel.
Well done, well done. Okay, look here. If still some students have confusion, look here. This road, look here, student. You saw that this road moved from left to right. This is again moved from the other two sides, north to south, east to west, and this is the point of intersection. Getting my point? Point of intersection means where all these roads join, or we can say all the roads have a common place where they join, where they meet. Getting my point? Clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, on a railway track, have you ever saw that railway track? The railway tracks also have a intersection point. Intersection point means where they have the common point where they meet. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I also clear to you with a very good example. Okay. Before telling you the example, who will recite definition in a louder voice? Arya, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
Set which
Can
consists of
I
all the
tell your name
elements.
and read it, please?
Ma'am Mohammad Musa. Set which consists of all the elements which are common to both set A and B.
Good. Next. And symbol used for A intersection B is this symbol. This symbol is used for showing the intersection. Clear? Clear or not clear?
I'm clear.
Clear.
Okay.
And it is pronounced as
Okay.
A intersection B.
Still students are coming, so okay. Look here, students, I have taken very interesting example. Look here. Universal set belongs to all people in this world. Clear? Either they are female or male. All the people in this world are in universal set. Clear? Now we come to set C. All people love cats. I also love cats because they are so much adorable. How many of you love cats? Okay. I mean, what's your name, baby? Okay. Now, C is the set where all the people who love cats, and D is the set of people who love dogs. Yeah, dogs are very faithful, very loyal. I also love dogs. How many of you love dogs?
Me too.
Ma'am, I do.
Please, beta.
Ma'am, I have a dog.
Okay. Please, beta, look here. A universal set, all the people in this world.
And your voice
D
is
is
not
the,
clear.
all the people who love cats, and D all people who love dogs. But better, there are some people like me who love both cats and dogs. So if I love both, this means this is the common point. If it is common point, this means it is intersection. So C intersection D is all the people who love both cats and dogs. Clear or not clear?
I'm clear.
Yes.
Well done. Okay, I will give you one
clear.
more example, beta. Look here. Wait. And this example is very much interesting also. Look here, students. As you know, suppose your brother loves all the food, he loves all Chinese food and rice. And if suppose you love all the dishes made from chicken or rice. Now, obviously your mama loves both of you and your brother. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Your brother loves Chinese food and rice. Getting my point, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Clear? And he loves rice. Clear? Now we come to set B. In set B, yes. In set B, we have you and you love. Wait. All the food made from chicken. Also, beta, you love all the food made from rice. Now, what shall your mother do? Obviously, she loves you both, so she makes some dishes from rice because it is common point to both. Clear or not clear? Students, where
Clear.
Clear.
okay.
Clear, ma'am.
Maybe she made egg fried rice, maybe she made biryani, or she made plow, something else made from rice, because she knows this is the common point to both of you. Clear? So now I think so section is clear to all of you.
Yes.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we comes to our today's topic. All of you have your loose sheet? All of you have your loose sheet, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look here, students. We have to solve Question number 1 of exercise 3C on our loose sheet. It is helpful to you because inshallah on weekly basis you have to upload your assignment. So you have to solve some of the sums here in the classroom. Very good, Abdullah Shahzad. I saw your page. Okay, boys. This okay. Usually I use the letter U. Otherwise, in your book, this symbol is used to show universal set. Clear? Look here. This symbol is used for universal set. Clear? And what is the universal set? Please, who will read? Boys, tell your name, please.
Ma'am, Abdullah Shahzad.
Yes, Abdullah, please read it better.
Letters of the English alphabet.
Please, Abdullah, tell me first letter of English alphabet is what?
A.
Well done. And it ends at?
Z.
Well done. This means universal set start from A and you have to write all 26 alphabets. Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
All the
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will check how many of you are present because all are mute. Why you are not talking? Why you are not answering me? I saw you.
I'm present.
मैम घर में काम हो रहा है.
Okay, you are writing? Then okay, well done. This is good. But there is no need to write the question. There is need to understand the question. Now, universal set is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Well done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. They are saying draw Venn diagram, and all of you know. I also ask in your mental maths, whenever you draw a Venn diagram, which shape you use to represent universal set?
Rectangle.
Rectangular.
Well done.
Rectangle.
Draw a rectangle and it represents universal set. Clear. Now, which shape you use for representing sets?
Circle.
You use circle for representing sets. Now, beta, here two sets are given to you. In the first set, they gave you, the first set have 5 elements. A, B, C, E and F. Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. And beta, set B has again the 5 elements B, C, O, P and Q. Clear? Now look here. Who will tell me any point common to both of these two?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
What's your name?
Amir Hamza B.
Amir Hamza, please tell me.
B.
No, I am talking about you have to find A intersection B. And you know intersection means points which are common to both sets. So please tell me which points are common to both. Well done. One of the students said B. Any other point?
C.
Well done. Excellent. This means these 2 points are common to both. So you have to look here. You have to find A intersection B. And then you have to write A intersection B, beta. Then tell me which sign you have to put. This sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Now then write the set A intersection B is equal to what? I mean, you tell me. A intersection
Ma'am.
B. A intersection B. Which points are common in both, beta?
AC. AB.
Not at all.
B and C. Ma'am,
B,
and
C.
Look at these points. Look at these points. Which are common?
B and
B, C.
Well done. B and C. Excellent. B and C. So please you have to write A intersection B on your loose sheets. You have to draw. You have to write or not?
C.
I'm right.
Okay. We can do. Now look at one more thing which is new for you because you have don't learn it. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is low, very low. I cannot hear you
Actually,
properly.
I checked the boy who is drawing on my board. I just want to save his name to show the section head. And what are you doing? May I announce your name? What's wrong with you? I am your teacher. Why you draw this? Okay. Look here, all of you, please know that for a Venn diagram, you have to draw a rectangle. Then for such, you have to draw circle. But one thing more, which is new for today's topic, is that how you represent the intersection of these two sets. Intersection of
Ma'am,
look
Ma'am,
here,
we will draw two circles.
no, you have to draw these two circles, but these two circles must be overlap. Do you know meaning of overlap? Mean that this circle and this circle have one point common. So this point is common to both of these two circles. Getting my point? Clear? Okay.
Yes,
Is not clear?
Yes.
I will clear by giving you the solution. Okay. Look here. I have to draw this sum for you. Look here. First, I have to write A intersection B. What is A intersection B? We have B and C in common. Look, friend, this blue color circle is representing set A. This yellow color representing set B. Clear? Now, I have to write all the elements of A. What are the elements? A, E, F, B, and C. All these elements are in set A. Then I have to write all the elements of B. Clear? O, Q, P, B, and C. All these are elements are in set B. Now, this portion, look here, student. Okay, wait. Actually, few students are still joining me, so that I am waiting for them. Okay, look here, student. You saw this better central portion. This portion shows the common. Common means the letters which are common in both sets, and these two letters are B and C. So you have to write B and C in this common portion, and this is called overlapping. What do we call it? Overlapping. Clear? Student, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, boys. Clear? So this is set A. This one is set B. I have to write all the elements of A and B as you have already done. But in this common portion, I have to write the element which is common in both. And that elements are B and C. Now look here. You saw some more alphabet written here in universal set. Why you have to write here? Because they are saying you have to show the universal set also. So remaining, look here. Student, A is there, B is there, C is there, clear? But D is missing. So I have to write this D in universal set. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Okay, then E is there, F is there. Can you show any G here?
No, ma'am.
So you have to write G in universal set.
Um,
You have to write H. This means you have to write all the remaining element in universal set. Getting my point or not getting my point?
yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, beta? So
Yes.
all these element D, G, H, all the remaining you have to write in universal set, and these are the common portion. Clear?
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now okay, I will mute you. Then maybe my voice is clear to you. Wait. Now my voice is clear, beta?
Ma'am, voice is clear, but it is very low.
Okay, I do something. Okay, I will take use hand free. Wait.
Ma'am.
But actually, I'm just talking about that all the elements of A and B you have to write as you have already written in the last week. But here, this one is the new thing that you have to overlap these two circles and you have to write all the common elements here in the center. Clear? And all the remaining elements in the universal set. Clear to all? Okay. Now we comes to next part. This is question number 1, part B. Actually, noise is coming from your home. Please, beta, you have to sit in that room where there will be less noise. Please, beta. Okay, now we come to question number 1b. Again, we have to find A intersection B. Here, set A is given. Look at the elements A, C, E, and G. Next, beta, set B is given P, Q, and R. Please tell me which element is common in both these two sets. Okay, I will unmute all of you, and you have to answer me which two elements are there. I unmute you. Hurry up, tell the answer. Why?
Ma'am,
There are
none.
no common.
Ma'am, there is no common.
Well done. There is no common element. And if there is no common element, so which symbol we use for empty set or null set?
Ma'am,
We use phi or we use empty brackets. Clear? Clear? Okay.
clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now for this question, we have to make diagram of two different types. I have to make it for you. I will show it to you. Look here. Okay, wait. Look here. One diagram is this. You have to draw these two circles. They are overlap. But for in the center portion, you don't write any letter. Why you don't write any letter? Because no letter is common. A, G, E, C in set A, and in set B we have P, Q, and R. Clear? And all the remaining elements you have to write in universal set. This is the one way for representing, and there is another way also. Look here. Look here. You can draw a circle, and these two circles are not joined together, not overlap. Clear? In set A, you have to write the elements of set A. In B, you have to write the element of B, and all the remaining you have to write in universal set. Getting my point, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
If they look here, you are so much lucky because if two sets have no common point, then you have two different types for representing Venn diagram. One, you have to draw two circles, and both circles you have to separate it drawn. Clear? And one way is that you have to overlap these two circles as you have already done in example question number 1 part A. But here in the common place you have to put it empty. Clear or not clear? Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move forward, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we comes to, okay, we have done beta part A, then we have done part B, and after part B, which part are you done here, beta?
F,
Why
part
I
F.
written F? Because beta, it is little bit tricky. I want to describe you all the parts. Look here, I will tell you. I will use the board. Wait.
Ma'am.
Wait. Look here, students. I will tell you that you have to draw a diagram which is overlapping. Overlapping means it has some points in common. Clear? Then I will tell you, you have to draw a diagram and they are separately drawn because they have no point in common. Third, now we comes to the third, which is subset and proper subset. Who will tell me other than Shahid, for subset and proper subset, which type of diagram we have drawn?
Ma'am, we will draw two circles.
Excellent. We draw two circles, and in a bigger circle we have to draw inside. We have to draw a small circle.
Small
This
circle.
shows that all the elements of B are present in A. Clear?
A.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Look here, beta. Now we comes to part F. And in part F, they are saying that vowels in the word transformation. Clear? And do you know what are vowels?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, please.
A, E, I, O, U.
Excellent. Excellent, boy. Okay. Here, look here. And you know that inside no element will be repeated. So you have to write A one time. So first one is A. Next is
A, O,
next.
I.
Well done. You have three vowels A, O, and I. Clear? Now comes to
Yes,
B.
ma'am.
Vowels in the word combination. Counted first vowel is beta.
O,
Next.
O, I,
A.
In other words, A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Are you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Both
Yes,
are
ma'am.
subsets. This means you can say that A is yeah,
Subset of B and B is subset of A.
subset of B, and you can say B is subset of A. Both are
A.
correct because both have the same elements. Clear to all? A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Clear?
A.
Now, if we want to find A intersection B, so which element we have to write in A intersection B, beta?
Ma'am, A, I, O.
Excellent, well done. So you have to write this, and which type of diagram you have to draw? You have to draw a big circle, and inside the big circle you have to draw small circle, and you have to write A, O, and I, and you have to write only once because in a set no element will be repeated. All elements are distinct. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Look here, dekhe.
Yes, ma'am.
Look here, in set A, vowels are there. In set B, again vowels are there. And A intersection B is again the same elements. So you have to draw in this way. And then all the remaining element, A, O, I, you have to write inside the circle. And all the remaining letters you have to write in universal set. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Okay. These three sums you have to practice on your loose sheet. And beside these three, I also explained the remaining part, and you have to solve all these parts on your loose sheets. I think so. Today, inshallah, your test will be over. Today, your test will be over, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And inshallah, from tomorrow onwards, you have to complete your assignment. From tomorrow, I don't give you any assignment for today. Tomorrow, you have to do it, please. Look here.
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have-
Ma'am, I have done full question number 1.
You are so much cute, boy. Okay, now we comes to beta. Okay, now we comes to part, next part C. Look here, in A, we have X, Y, Z, M, and N. And B is the consonants. Who will tell me the consonants of the word money? Hurry up. Consonants in the word money.
M and Y. M
Well,
and
the
Y.
consonant in word money is M. Next one is N. And next one is Y. All
Y.
these are
Y.
consonants of the word money. Getting my point? So in set B, we have M and Y. And in set A, these. Which one is common? M and Y. In other words, this set B is proper subset. Is it proper
Yes, ma'am.
subset? Why is it
B
proper
is
subset?
proper subset to A.
Why
Ma'am,
it is
because
proper?
all the elements of B is present in A, but A is not equal to B.
Well, and what's your name, beta?
Muhammad Musa.
Muhammad
Musa.
Musa. Well done, Musa. Excellent, boy. Now clear to all. Look here. I don't solve this sum for you. You have to solve by yourself. All of you are able to draw a proper subset diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. Now we move towards the next question, beta. Okay. Consonants in the word mathematics. Okay. Who will tell me the consonants in the word mathematics?
Ma'am,
MTH.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
MTH. MTH, C, F,
First is M. Next one is
Yes.
beta.
T,
TH.
Next, H. Any other?
C,
T. No. Don't repeat.
C.
C.
Ma'am,
Yes,
C.
C. Next,
S.
S. Good. These are the consonants in the word mathematics. Clear? Lukman, it is
Yes,
too
ma'am.
late to join the class. Only 1 minute is left over. Okay. These are the consonants of set A. Now, who will tell me the consonants in the set B?
Ma'am,
Consonants in set B.
S,
Good.
T,
Wait. The first word is S. Next one is T.
T,
Next is
C.
C. C. Okay, good. And obviously, look here. This shows.
And again B.
This whole B is again
Voice
the subset of A. B is also subset of A. Oh, okay, student, all of you do this on your loose sheet, and tomorrow you have to do it and then send it to me. Clear? Clear or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you is why? Okay, boys. Today's topic is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So Allah Hafiz, have a safe day. Any confusion related to our
Allah
today's
Hafiz.
topic?